Here in Florida, folks, we have a big problem with drug charges in that cops are stopping your car and they are searching the whole darn thing. And that means they're searching your pockets and your purse and your backpack and your wallet and the trunk and all the passengers in your car trying to find drugs when they smell weed. We know the problem with that level of intrusion is that back in the day, that level of intrusion was okay because the smell of weed was something that was 100% illegal. That smell told an officer that there's a crime being committed somewhere in this car and I can smell the crime. You can't smell the crime anymore, right? The plain smell doctrine should be off the table. It's still not off the table in most of Florida, but it should be because we have legalized hemp. And hemp is the same exact plant as marijuana. And hemp smells exactly the same as marijuana, and hemp looks exactly the same as marijuana. I had some clients that turns out they didn't get in trouble because they put damn hemp stickers on everything, and I don't know whether it was really hemp or not, but the point is nobody can tell the difference in terms of whether it was really marijuana or whether they were just putting stickers on marijuana so that they could transport it and putting hemp stickers on everything. But I can tell you that there are no canines out there that can walk around a car, alert on a car and say, canine handler, who I love very much, and we bond and we're just a great team of finding drugs. But that canine cannot tell that handler there's hemp in here or there's marijuana in here, because that canine doesn't know the difference. These plants smell exactly the same. They are the same plant. The only difference is hemp, by definition, has a concentration of THC that is 0.3. And any THC concentration in the cannabis plant above 0.3, that is not a hemp plant. That is illegal marijuana unless you have a medical card and you bought it at a pharmacy. Then you can have THC concentrations above 0.3 and it's no longer called hemp. It is by definition called marijuana. My point is that to this day, these cops cannot smell the difference between something that is perfectly legal and something that is illegal. There is a roadside test right now. Some law enforcement have it and they can shake the little weed in there, and supposedly this test can tell if the concentrations of THC are hemp side or if it's illegal marijuana side. So they have made some progress in this situation, but I'm here to tell you that it is still a perfectly legal search in most of Florida, except for the 6th District Court of Appeal. They got it right. They said you can't search on the odor anymore. I'm telling you, I hope that the rest of the state of Florida follows suit and says, cops, you can't search on the odor of marijuana anymore. There's just too much legal stuff going on between hemp and medical. We got to stop searching like this. And that's my update.